Luis Enrique transformed a PSG team with the absence of Kylian Mbappe.
Yes.
He has been able to use young generation talent to transform the team to dominate Europe. But one advantage Enzo Maresca have over Enrique is Cole Palmer. Before I talk about Cole Palmer, I have to demonstrate his celebration.
Yes.
Cole Palmer.
Yes, the coolest man in this world.
Cole Palmer.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, now the Ballond'Or nominee or the Ballond'Or nominees has been revealed. And so far, Chelsea men team, 3 players nominated. 2 players plus our manager, Enzo Maresca, best manager of the year. So that is what we're going to talk about in this video. Yes, the possibilities of this our players winning it. Can Cole Palmer win it? Can Estevao win it? Can Enzo Maresca win it? So please watch this video till the end. These are the things we are going to talk about in this video. Plus my Chelsea brother Abiola. Football Lion once again.
Thanks very much.
Oh, thanks. So Abiu, now Chelsea, 3 players as I said nominated. Estevao, Enzo Maresca, and Cole Palmer. Let's start with Estevao. Estevao nominated as under 21 player. Yeah. Can Estevao win it?
Estevao Willian, I've never for once have a doubt with Estevao Willian potential. He is the kind of player who can play any position at the top, at the attack of the field.
Yeah.
So Estevao Willian, it is not just a candidate, but a candidate who can win the under 21 best player of the year.
As we said, he is not just a nominee, but a winner, because this season the record he set at the Brazilian league is not easy, because he broke all Neymar records.
Yes, Estevao Willian, before you realize a good player, the kind of exposure he's getting into the Brazilian league and to the Brazilian legends, they talk about Estevao Willian is top notch.
Wow.
It's very top notch. So for once, like I already said, I don't have any doubt about Estevao Willian. He has a great potential and he is a winner. Wow. So he's going to win the under 21 best player of the year.
So Estevao, do you think that as he joined Chelsea this season, he can walk straight into our starting 11?
Well, that one, yeah.
Like his performance, as we watch him.
Yes,
did he deserve it?
For me, from Enzo Maresca, I won't rush him.
Wow.
Looking at his age, he's still very young and he needs time to adapt into the English football. Okay. So for me, if I'm Enzo Maresca, I won't rush Estevao Willian into Chelsea starting lineup for now.
I like it because he's a young player. He never played even European football. He just joined Chelsea this season, so we should not rush him. We should not put that pressure on him. Yes. But he is a talented player.
Yes, that one there, we can't deny the fact he is very talented.
Yes.
So we just have to gradually give him time to adapt to English football.
Yes.
To showcase what he got.
Yes.
Estevao Willian need to give a time so that he can adjust to English football.
Okay. Let's come to Enzo Maresca being the best manager, nominated as the best manager. But before we go there, guys, please just remind you once again, please hit the like button, hit the subscription button for this video to reach more people on the YouTube algorithm. Yes, please hit the like button and hit the subscription button. Let's come to Enzo Maresca being nominated as our best manager. He has been nominated with the likes of Antonio Conte, Luis Enrique, Hansi Flick, Enzo Maresca, and Arne Slot. So 5 managers being nominated. Among these managers, can Enzo Maresca win it?
Among the manager he has been nominated with, the only manager I believe can stand tall over Enzo Maresca is
Luis Enrique.
Simple because he dominated European football.
For sure.
So for Maresca to beat him clean sheet, I'm sure Maresca deserves to win it ahead of him. Aside from the 2 managers, those that they have been nominated, Maresca is on top of them.
Yes. So you see Enrique to be a challenger to Enzo Maresca.
Yes, Luis Enrique is a big challenger, but not all. Luis Enrique transformed a PSG team with the absence of Kylian Mbappe.
Yes.
He has been able to use young generation talent to transform the team to dominate Europe. But one advantage Enzo Maresca have over Enrique is beating him clean sheet to
When
win
they
the
met.
when they met, beating
Yes.
him clean sheet to win the
World Cup
Club World Cup title. It can help Maresca to be a winner.
Yes,
It has qualified him to become a winner of best coach of the year.
The Ballond'Or best coach of the year. But it look like Barcelona this season they have a good season, but although they didn't win the Champions League, but when you look at like the games they played, the goals they were scoring, don't you think for that matter, Hansi Flick also a competitor?
Hansi Flick, he has done. I can't deny the fact that he has done a great job in the La Liga.
Yes.
But let's look at one thing.
Okay.
He has been the best manager in La Liga. Enrique has been the best manager of the entire Europe, and Enzo Maresca has been the best, dominated the world.
Yes.
So that really qualifies Enzo Maresca to be on top of all the nominated coaches. So for me, Enzo Maresca stands tall to be the best manager.
Wow. It's true, as you said. Like especially the way he ended the season with Chelsea, making top for winning the Conference League. And in fact, no Chelsea fan saw this coming. No Chelsea fan. This one, I will not even say some. We didn't believe that at the end of the day, Enzo Maresca will win all these trophies.
Yeah,
and even gave us top 4.
Yes, that one is, the fact is clear.
Yes.
The fact is clear. It got to some time Chelsea fans lost hope in Enzo Maresca.
Yes.
But getting to the end of the season, he has proven his worth.
Yes.
So for me, he has done a great job and well deserved to be called a Ballond'Or best manager of the year.
Okay. So guys, let us hear from you in the comment section about this Ballond'Or best manager of the year. Can Enzo Maresca win it among Antonio Conte, Luis Enrique, Hansi Flick, Enzo Maresca himself, and Andy Slot? Guys, let us hear from you under the comment section. Please leave a comment. Please, the last video, you did your best. We appreciated. You watched. You gave us the eyeballs, but we didn't see any comment. Sometimes the comments motivate us, yes, to make us believe that we are doing something good for you. We are doing something that you like. So please, any video that you watch on this channel, please at least leave a comment and like the video for the video to reach more people. Yes. So let's come to Cole Palmer, the man himself. Yes. Cole Palmer has been nominated Ballond'Or, best man player for Ballond'Or, and they nominated 30 players. Let me rush and mention their name quick. The first name, Jude Bellingham, Ousmane Dembele, Joan Lincoln, Donnarumma, Desedoe, Denzel Dumfries, Seu Gurasi, Victor Yogres, Erling Haaland, Achraf Hakimi, Harry Kane, Kvaratskhelia, Robert Lewandowski, Alex McAllister, Lautaro Martinez, Kylian Mbappe, Scott McTominay, Nuno Mendes, João Neves, Olise, Cole Palmer, Pedri, Rafinha, Declan Rice, Fabian Ruiz, Mohamed Salah, Van Dijk, Vinicius Junior, Vitinha, Florent Wies, and Lamine Yamal. Among the 30, Cole Palmer name is there. Our Cole Palmer, the best player in the world. Can Cole Palmer win it? Abu.
Cole Palmer. Before I talk about Cole Palmer, I have to demonstrate his celebration.
Yes.
Cole Palmer.
Yes, the coolest man in this world.
Cole Palmer is one of the guys I respect so much in world football.
Wow.
Simple because last season, he did it last season and he has done it again this season.
Yes.
He was nominated last season and this season he has been nominated as well. And for me, Cole Palmer, he deserves it. He deserves the nominee, and winning it right now, I can't best tell. But for me, he will end, even if he didn't win it, but at least he will end in the top 3.
Yes.
That's what I see.
Cole Palmer going far.
Yes.
In those nominees.
Yes.
But for me, I think he can win it too. Because why? First, when we look at the records he set in the Premier League, the first player to score 4 goals, first half in the Premier League game, it has never happened against Brighton this season. If you can remember, he scored 4 goals.
Yes,
first half in that game. In the Premier League history, all the legends passed by. Yes, Rooney, Lampard, who you can talk about, Drogba. They never scored 4 goals in a Premier League game within the first half. So that was the first record from Cole Palmer. And we know how difficult this Premier League. To even get 1 goal in the Premier League is not easy. We want to talk of scoring 1, 2, 3 up to 4. And another thing is the Conference League. The Conference League he assisted. I think he gave 2 assists. Yes. The one Enzo scored and the one Jason scored.
Yeah.
the Conference League final,
Finals.
and also the Club World Cup trophy final. He scored and
two
gave
goals.
assists.
Yes.
So when you look at Cole Palmer at the end part of this season, for me, I call him a final man. Yes, like any time that we need him in a final, he show up. All the two final, Cole Palmer show up. He dominated. And this kind of players, they deserve to win the Ballond'Or. Talented players. For me, I don't want a player to win a Ballond'Or and next season you can't see him again.
Yeah, that one for sure. No, Cole Palmer. One thing about Cole Palmer is kind of talent Cole Palmer is having.
Yeah.
It is very difficult nowadays to see a player carrying such talent.
Yes.
Cole Palmer can play any place of the attack.
Yes. Yes.
Any place at all of the attack, Cole Palmer can play and deliver very well.
Yes. Yes.
Just look at the ended Club World Cup.
Yes.
He was not playing at his favorite position, but he has been able to perform well and also score 2 goals and give assists on top.
To Japan.
So for me, Cole Palmer, well-deserved nominated player, and I wouldn't be surprised if Cole Palmer come as a winner of the Ballond'Or.
At the end of the day,
yes.
Okay. And let's look at the nominees. Do you think any name you say, okay, this player, he doesn't deserve the nominee among the 30 players?
Among the 30 players, there are a lot of players who are there and don't deserve it. I can count you a countless figure.
Okay, let's see.
Who are there and don't deserve. Example like McAllister. Among the 30 players, those who deserve to be there, Ousmane Dembele.
Okay.
Jude Bellingham,
Cole Palmer,
and that PSG youngster.
Okay, Dowie.
That's small boy. He also deserves it.
His name is
but
there.
aside from them, there are a couple of players which are there and don't deserve to be there.
So, do you also have any names of players who are supposed to be here nominated and they didn't nominate them?
I don't want people to say I'm biased, but I'm just going to be realistic. Enzo Fernandez.
Okay.
Caicedo with the start he is having this season, he deserves to be nominated.
Okay.
But he's not there.
Okay.
Enzo Fernandez. Everybody see what Enzo can do in the midfield.
So you said Caicedo supposed to be there.
Yeah, Caicedo supposed to be there. Enzo Fernandez supposed to be there.
Wow.
With the kind of performance they have put up this season, they deserve to be nominated. But unfortunately, they are not. Their name didn't appear on the list.
So guys, let us hear from you under the comment section about this Ballond'Or nominees. Yes, Cole Palmer nominated. Can he win it? Enzo Maresca nominated. Can he win it? And our man himself, Estevao Willian, under 21, nominated. Can he win it? By the way, guys, Chelsea fans around the world, particularly and to be precise, Northern Ghana, Tamale, we are having floating on 16th August. 16th of this month, we are going to have floating Chelsea fans around the world. Yes. So please, if you are far and near, if you are watching from Tamale, on 16th, it will be on Saturday. Yes, we will have floating. So where we are going to meet will be Post Office, Tamale Post Office. That is where everybody will meet there. Yes, at 7 a.m. 16th August, it will be Saturday. So please, just to inform you on that day, come out with your numbers, come out with your blue colors, come out with your everything concerning Chelsea, come out with your family, yes, your wife, your friends, anybody you know who is Chelsea fan, and even those who are not Chelsea fans, let them come and enjoy the success. Yes, little small. So please, on that day, on 16th of August, it will be Saturday. Chelsea fans in Tamale, we are going to have floating. You can come. Yes. If you are staying in Kumasi, Accra, even outside Ghana, if you get the chance to come on that day, please, we'll be available to have the floating. Just to inform you, let's go. Chelsea the Blues. Yes, blue is the color. Football is the game. Take care. Peace.